Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we're looking at this question. It says x to the power of 6 equals to 3 to the power of 6. So we are going to solve for the value of x from that equation. We are given x to the power of 6 equals to 3 to the power of 6. So what we are going to do is for us to transpose the right hand side to the left hand side. So this will become x to the power of 6 minus 3 to the power of 6 equals to 0. So here can be broken down into x to the power of 3 all to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 3 all to the power of 2 equals to 0. If you can look at this, this is in the form a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, which is equals to a plus b all into a minus b. So we are going to express this in this format. In that case, our a equals to x to the power of 3, while our b equals to 3 to the power of 3. So here we are going to substitute this parameter in this solution of difference of 2 square. So this will become x to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3. That is for this parenthesis. Then we have the second parenthesis as x to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3, all equals to 0. So here we can see that it is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. So when we set this one, we have x to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 equals to 0. This is in the form a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3. And also we have the second parenthesis, x to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 equals to 0. So this is also in the form a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. So here we are going to find the solution. Let's take this one first and let's take this one as the second part. Then the first one we have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, which is equal to a plus b all into a to the power of 2 minus ab plus b to the power of 2. So this is what it becomes. Then the second one will be, so the second part we have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, which is equal to a minus b all into a to the power of 2 plus ab plus b to the power of 2. So what we are going to do is for us to express the first one in this format. As we said before, our a in that case will become x, then our b will become 3. So taking the first one, where we are going to express, put this parameter into this first equation. So this will become, this is a, which is x plus 3 all into x to the power of 2 minus 3x plus 3 to the power of 2. This is 3 to the power of 2, all equals to 0. So in this case, this either the first parenthesis equals to 0 or the second parenthesis equals to 0. So the first parenthesis, which is x plus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, the value of x will become minus 3. So this is the first value of x, which is x1. And we have the second parenthesis, where we have x to the power of 2 minus 3x plus 3 to the power of 2 equals to 0. And this 3 to the power of 2 is same thing as 9. So this has turned out to become a quadratic equation. And we are going to compare it with the standard quadratic equation, where we have ax to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals to 0. Comparing these two equations, we have the value of a equals to 1 and the value of b equals to minus 3 and also the value of c as 9. Then we are going to substitute into the quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2 times a. So in that case, we are going to substitute the parameter into the quadratic formula, where we have the value of x equals to minus b equals to minus into minus 3, we have plus or minus square root of minus 3 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times c, which is 9, all over 2 times 1. Our value of x equals to minus times minus 3 will become 3. We have plus or minus square root of minus 3 to the power of 2 gives us 9. Then we have minus 4 times 1 times 9 will give us minus 36, all over 2 times 1 is 2. So in this case, we have the value of x equals to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 36 become minus 27 all over 2. So in this case, we can rewrite this as x equals to 3 plus or minus square root of this minus 27 can be written as 9 times square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. So here will become x equals to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3. So we have here root 3 and square root of minus 1 is iota, which is I all over 2. So we have two solutions from here where we have x2 and x3. So this is the two solutions that we have. That is for this first equation. We are going to look at the second one where we have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals to a minus b all into a to the power of 2 plus ab plus b to the power of 2. So in this case, substituting the value of a as x and value of b as 3. So we are going to have this as x minus 3 for this parenthesis into x to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 3 to the power of 2 all equals to 0. So we are going to express that as the solution of this equation where we have, recall that our x1 equals to minus 3 where we claim. So here will become x minus 3 into x to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 3 to the power of 2 is 9, all equals to 0. It is either the first parenthesis equals to 0 or the second parenthesis equals to 0. So the first parenthesis, which is x minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, the value of x will become 3. So this is the fourth value of x because we have x3 here. So x4 equals to 3. So looking at the second equation, we will have x to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 9 equals to 0. And we are going to compare it with a standard quadratic equation where we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Comparing these two, we have the value of a equals to 1 and the value of b equals to 3 and the value of c equals to 9. Substitute that into the quadratic equation where we have x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, we will substitute this parameter into this equation where x will become minus b, it become minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a, our a is 1, times c, 9, all over 2 times 1. So the value of x will become minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 4 times 1 times 9 will become 36 all over 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So in that case, we need to come over to this other side where the value of x here will become x equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 36 will become minus 27 all over 2. This can be written as x equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 times square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. This is same thing as x equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3. So we are now left with root 3 square root of minus 1 is iota, which is I, all over 2. So this is the solution of x5 and x6. And we have total number of 6 solution of x. And we can express it, write it out in this other side where we have the value of x1 equals to minus 3 and the value of x2 equals to 3 plus 3 root 3i all over 2. Then our x3 equals to 3 minus 3 root 3i all over 2. Then the value of x4 equals to, our x4 is 3. Then the value of x5 equals to minus 3 plus 3 root 3i all over 2. Then value of x6 equals to minus 3 minus 3 root 3i all over 2. So these are the 6 solution of x that we have, and they all satisfy this equation. So here we have 2 real solutions and also have 4 complex solutions. They are all satisfy that equation. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.